Hey y'all, hey. It is Saturday. It is Saturday evening, and I am about to start getting my stuff out to decorate. It's already clean, y'all. Already gonna see that video either last week or a couple days before this one. But so yeah, I did my poinsettia, did my centerpiece. I'm about to set what I'm gonna use up there. They finally brought my tote up with all my goodies. And yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. I missed you. I forgot all the good stuff I got. Look in there, y'all. Look in there. Oh, some good stuff. Some good stuff. Oh my gosh. I got one of my Santas. We're gonna set all this up here. Alright, this light works. This one works. So I don't need to add any to this one. So I'm just going to take this back. Let me check this one. Hold on. Alright, so both of the big ones work, guys. So, like I said, the ones that don't have it, I'm just wrapping this thing around because I am definitely going to cover most of these with some snow. Cover these with some snow so they can be hid. I'm just doing the hard part right now. You guys around. Okay, it's got a couple of holes you can plug in. Alright, so I'm going to do this hole. And this one. And this one. And that one. Take it around. I'm just going to sit it on top. That's it. Sit it right on top of there. Alright, y'all. Those are the houses so far. I got to get a cord and plug them up. And then I'll show you how it looks. It's going to look so good. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to put this right there. Alright, y'all, so I'm still up, y'all. It's late. I have done this side. Just did a little tree in all my mama houses. I'm going to get some cotton to cover up all the lights that's showing. Elevate a couple of them. Make it look very realistic. My people. The opening of the town. And then all the little, here's the coffee shop, little home, the barn, a horse. What is that? The outhouse. Here's the outhouse for the farm. Couple of nice homes. Ice gear. Mrs. Claus. Another Mrs. Claus in a sled. Snowman and wife. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. I put my stockings up right here. My two wooden sleds from Target. The little deers are from Target, and the little section down here. My stockings came from Home Goods. The hooks came from Home Goods. My big old Santa came from Home Goods. This came from Target. So yeah, that's that side. And I'm done with the table. I just added my two gold deers, as well as my two gold trees, and then some lanterns down at the bottom that I need batteries for, with the leather cover, and the trees are down there. And I put a Santa, well, I'll get up and show you guys that. And then I'm loving this area. I got my gold deer with the sitting one, my two nutcrackers with my mom crystal bowl full of pine cones sitting on top of my books. And then I did this with my mothballs, added some pine cones and some burgundy leaves I had fall off. You know, seen my tree. And then over here is my little stool that I added a little turntable. It turns, but I won't be turning it. And I added a little Santa topper with his little bag, as well as one of my large candles and a little vase with a little pyx in there. I'm gonna start this decoration. The kitchen is gonna be another video all by itself, honey. It's gonna be, yeah. I'm gonna do the kitchen. Then I have to do my coffee station / tea. Yeah, / beverage / whatever you want to call it. Yeah. And once I get I'm just gonna decorate it as far as I can until I get something for the top. Watching, please hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.